ready to level up your financial game and effortlessly manage your money. First things first, open your Revolut app. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen displaying your current balance and account options. Tap on the cards icon. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen. Now, in the cards section, you'll likely see an option that says Add Money. Tap on that. On this screen, you'll then see the options to choose how you'd like to add money. Select Add from Card. Now, carefully enter the amount of money you want to add to your Revolut account. Be sure you're happy with the number. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the card you're transferring from. This includes your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back, which is often referred as the CVV. Carefully review all of the details to confirm that everything is correct. Once you've confirmed your card information and amount, tap the Confirm and Continue button. And there you have it. The funds should be added to your Revolut account almost instantly. You are now ready to start spending with the versatility and convenience Revolut offers. Adding money to your Revolut account from other cards is that easy. Start enjoying the freedom and flexibility of managing all your finances in one place with Revolut. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial tips, and head over to Revolut's website to learn more.